Hey guys, how's it going? Just out here playing with the welding table today. Gonna be put some new stuff on here. Probably gonna play with the new Esab sentinel right here. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This is what we got going on. I'm gonna be throwing up some just some old pipe coupons, a little square tubing. Probably gonna weld into the top of the table because it always seem to be working, but you can never find a pen or a marker or anything like that. So we're gonna be doing that, trying to utilize more tabletop space, and you still got to build a separate little stand for the chop saw. But yeah, so far that's what we're gonna be working on today. And I'll probably do a little review on this guy right here. I know there's a ton of reviews, but a lot of people kind of sugarcoat stuff, so I'm gonna give him an honest review, and yeah, we'll go from there. So first things first, I'm gonna cut up these little coupons. Just take off a little bit just to get a flat surface so it all looks nice on the tabletop. Can't say enough good things about this saw. Man, everybody needs to pick one of these up ASAP. I love this thing. The best part is cold, just barely warm. Look at the cut on there. Let's see if I get some sun. That's worth it right there. Alright, so I'm gonna run on S-MIG. Just gonna go ahead and tack it up on MIG, and I'll finish it out with 7018. But yeah, I'll set the camera up and try to get some one going on this thing. Okay, watch how easy this is to switch from MIG to stick. One. And you put your positive back in there. Twist lock. You go home. You go stick. Say okay. You fire this up. Red screen. Boom. Good to go. So I'm gonna run 1/8 inch 7018. So I'm gonna run at 125. Let me set this back up. Hopefully this comes out okay and you guys can see it.
seems so familiar. You're in a dream. Who are you? I am your reflection. You've been asleep for a very long time.
Awake every night, looking back on my life. Well, apologies to the people I love for the things I've done really make it right. I guess it might. Just then I realized my past is the reason I'm here right now. As a matter of fact, I won't apologize. You bitches always bitch, cause I am constantly changing. Think of how far that I've made it from my incarceration. It's amazing, ain't it? But I'm in the zone, I'm a rolling stone. I'm coming home, but I'm not alone. Do I really gotta let another motherfucker know? I won't surrender. Smarter than you think. Everything I did was planned to get you to listen, to get your attention. You post an opinion and it gets me bigger. Are you triggered? Figures, here's the kicker. With every trigger I'm getting richer from offended, bitter little Twitter bitches all up in my mentions looking for attention cause they starved of it. You wanna call me the king of the music scene? I got news for you. We gotta fit like a second coming. I respawn like I have a reset button. Hated more than trumpets. Running raggies back to rapping, acting ratchet. Release a cracker, delete your asses. I'm not the rapper, I'm the motherfucking morning after. I won't surrender.
Alright, so his first couple of passes, I was running this this Weld Coat Metals 7018 1/8 inch, and I don't know, I just wasn't very happy with how it was burning. So I switched up to this Hobart. It's 7018. It's 1/8 inch, same as the other one, and I ran it at, I bumped it up to 135. And alright, ran pretty good. Definitely not my best. And I was running this the Sentinel, and I don't know, the Sentinel versus my 4C, I gotta go with the 4C all day long. Look at that window on this one versus this one. This doesn't have very big window in there, but as far as clarity goes, they're pretty similar. I still choose my 4C. I mean, this thing's just, the window in there, there's more viewing area. It seems to be more comfortable for my fat head than this one. This one, I don't know, I just can't seem to get it. It has more adjustment than the 4C, but maybe I just have to run it longer, I don't know. But for right now, I gotta give it to my 4C. This one right here though, I wish I was wearing that one doing this video instead of the other one, but that's just my honest review. I mean, maybe I need to change that yellow lens out to the clear lens, adjust it more to my head, but I don't know, I just wasn't very happy with it. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's a great hood, but once you run one of these bad boys, I mean, it's hard to go back to anything else. But, okay, I'll give it style points. This one right here looks pretty cool. It's definitely different, has more style points. And this one, I mean, they come in kind of goofy graphics, but if they can, I think they come in black. I've seen one in black, but they didn't have that at the time I bought this one. So, but yeah, see this one, there's your, so this one's only got a couple adjustments versus the Sentinel. The Sentinel has way more. But yeah, I mean, that's my honest review, and let's, I'm gonna get cleaned up and we'll start working on the table some more. All right, guys, well, it ended up not doing too much to the welding table today. Just got those back there, got a little more organized. You know, safety first with the fire extinguisher just in case. But yeah, here's my table. I mean, it's nothing fancy, but you know, that's what I need to do, and sturdy as all get out. And eventually I'm gonna sand these legs down and probably paint them. I might throw some more shelves in the back, and you know, not 100% on what I want to do to it yet. I'm a little torch holder right there for when I get down some MIG, or even TIG. We eventually cut that up, or sand that up, paint it. Might cut it, might move it. I don't know. I gotta see how I feel when I start using it. Yeah, this is my little setup for now. My little vise. Got my TIG filler rod when I start TIGging. And that's pretty much it. Still got to build my little extension off the side right here for my chop saw, but that'll be another day. I got all the material, I just haven't done it yet. But yeah, that's the table. I know a couple of you asked how I built it and what I did, so hopefully this video will help out and when you guys work on your table. So I took into account getting this bar stool right here. So I did my legs at 43 inches. 43 inches with, I think it was 3/8 tabletop. So sit on the stool and work on the tables. I can sit down right here and just get down. It's, for me, being a big dude, it's pretty comfy and easy. And just lean over there, get my stuff, get my magnets, marker, machines right here. Just turn my gas on and go. I mean, once I start welding, I'll move, you know, I'll move that out of the way. I'll move my vacuum, but it's just a nice little storage area over there. But a little bit more about these hoods. So I ran the Sentinel when I did my, when I welded those today. I don't know if it's just the first time using it or what's the deal, but I don't know, I just wasn't a fan. But he has a bunch of cool stuff like the LED touchscreen, but just, I'm so used to the big viewing window. If this one, the crisp, like, I guess blue, when you start welding the arcs, blue, and this one was just like really bright white. I mean, I guess I prefer the blue over the white. And this one just seems like it's not made very, like it's cheap. I mean, look how I welded those. I put almost 2 passes on each one of those. I'd rather have it stout than not. And this thing right here is, like, you could drop it a couple times and not worry about it breaking or busting up. And just the view. Can't really see my headgear's in the way, but I mean, look at the view of that thing. See the whole hood through it. I don't know, for the money, I haven't really looked at how much these Vikings are going for now. But if you're trying to decide on a hood, and if you like, you know, things to be sturdy and you can trust it to fall at least once or twice and it'll be okay, definitely go with that guy. This guy is still a good hood. It's still, I mean, I'm still gonna use it, but when it comes to like working for customers or going to take a welding test, definitely gonna use this, the 4C. Yeah, like I said, I don't know how much they go for now, but if you're you know trying to compare price, even if this one costs a little more than the Sentinel, I would definitely go with the Viking. I don't know, Lincoln's just, I don't know what they did on this hood, but this lens is, let's see if I can move this headgear so we can see a little better. I mean, yeah, there's no touch screen. Yeah, there's no all fancy, you know, different adjustments up here for your dome, but I can just put this on, flip the hood down and go. And this one takes me forever to figure it out, get it comfortable. I mean, you can adjust it closer, farther away from your face, and there's locks in there. You know, there's more straps to get your head fit right, but I don't know, maybe I gotta play with it more, but as far as clarity and using it today, I mean, it's still a great hood. If you like this hood and this is your style and you know, you're like, oh, I've wanted that hood for such a long time, it's still a great hood. But for me personally, that guy. Yeah, I'm not really a fan of the, I don't know what you call that, the colors, the paint, whatever you want to say, but I mean, it's a great hood. I would buy that thing another, you know, 4 or 5 times before any other hood. But yeah, I mean, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope, you know, welding over there turned out. If not, then I'll figure out another way to set the camera up so we can get some better filming. And still got to build the extension for my chop saw to go on. That'll probably be another video. And yeah, we got some work coming up. So I just talked to the guy last night about getting some work, so that'll be good. And yeah, we'll just go from there. Thanks for watching, and you know, if you guys want, go ahead and subscribe. You know, like this video, and hopefully start putting out more videos for you guys.